when I run over you on your motorcycle and I'm in my, in my Chevy, as long as I have my 10,000 PIP coverage that covers me, I don't have to have bodily injury to cover you. And I don't know, Noel, give us a summary of what Alabama's like. And Alabama's a little bit better. Alabama's got, what, a 25 minimum?
It's surprising that Alabama would have one of the most favorable requirements there. But, yeah, you have to have $25,000 minimum liability, and any carrier that offers you a policy is required to offer you an equal amount of UIM and UM, and that can only be waived by you've actually got to sign. You have to affirmatively decline that. So that's one of the forms that we're always looking for. And it rolls into another topic we've been talking about, the bullshit idea of full coverage.
Oh yeah.
People like to sell you full coverage, and all they've sold you is a warm blanket.
Yeah.
But it's amazing how you can save money, and they're on the Gulf Coast. I'm sure in Chris's area too. We've got a lot of Latinos, and so with limited English skills and limited understanding, they're being told they're going to save money. In Alabama, UIM is about 10% of your total. So it's just
And hey, shout out, you are multilingual, are you not?
Yeah, I was going to say. There are a lot of motorcycle lawyers out there. I actually ride. When you see an advertisement that says "Se habla español," we speak Spanish here. Ask yourself, does the lawyer speak Spanish, or do they just have some high school graduate who
interpreting for them?
Yeah, I have been speaking Spanish my whole life, longer than I've been riding motorcycles, as a matter of fact. But so I'm into helping the Hispanic community. There are not a huge motorcycle contingent on the Gulf Coast of Alabama, but still do a lot of work with them.
It's an underserved market too, and those guys, when they're hurt, they're scared. They fear just that they don't understand the legal that we're going to be their advocate. It's hard to kind of cross that threshold and really build that trust.
Right. A lack of understanding just leads to a bunch of irrational fears, a lot of misunderstandings. So it's good to be able to reach out to them and